Hello my dear friend, my name is Denis Volkhonsky. Welcome to the course Modern Deep Convolutional Neural Networks. Thank you very much for choosing this course. I'll do my best to share my knowledge in image processing with deep learning and convolutional neural networks with you. Let me begin with the motivation of learning convolutional neural networks. There exists a competition called ImageNet Large-Scale Visual Recognition Challenge. The task for the competitors is the following. You have 14 millions of images of size 256 to 256. Each image is assigned to 1 out of 1000 classes, cats, dogs, frogs, etc. You have to build a classifier, an algorithm that takes an image as an input and return the class of this image. This competition started in 2010 and the error on top 5 classes was 28%. Year after year, people develop neural networks that are deeper than previous. And in 2012, they consisted of 8 layers, then 19, then 22, and finally in 2015, people developed ResNet architecture, which showed the error of 3.5%. And what is amazing about it, it outperformed human. There are several reasons for it. First, the network is really big, 152 layers. In fact, learning of such a deep network not only long but also very hard. And authors proposed how to overcome such limitations, which we, sure enough, will discuss in our course. The second reason, this network is able to recognize such classes that many humans can't recognize. For example, this network can distinguish different breeds of dogs, and I'm not sure that all of you can distinguish between these two different breeds of dogs on the slide, but they are different. Neural networks show amazing performance in many tasks. In 2013, Kaggle, the biggest machine learning competition platform, hosted a Dogs with Cat challenge. The task was to classify whether there is a cat or a dog on the photo, and the accuracy of the winner's model was almost 99%. During our course, we will move from the basics of convolutional neural networks to the recently developed advanced techniques for training them and achieving the highest score. Firstly, we will consider which problems can be solved with convolutional neural networks. We will briefly remember linear layer and how to train multi-layer perceptron, what is loss function and how gradient descent works. We will study convolutional neural networks, what it is, how to use it, what are the parameters, etc. Later, we will move forward to studying advanced deep learning techniques such as batch normalization, instance normalization, and others. I will tell you the most modern regularization techniques such as dropout, drop connect, and others. We will learn what is an autoencoder and how to apply it in practical business tasks. Finally, we will study the most popular convolutional models for classification tasks and study how to use them in order to solve problems with a small amount of data. Thank you and see you in the next video.